I can't remember wherever to look, but hi guys.
Hey, guess where we're going?
Tell them.
We're going to a party.
We're going to a baby shower. See all the pink?
Look at all this.
I mean,
look, no, hold on. Look at this. Look at this. That's
can you stop ruffling up?
Oh my God! To know that it's real.
Wait, can you hold on 1 second? The music that you guys will be hearing on my vlogs are of this one. This is Jamaica.
Jamaica Day. It's Jamaica Day.
That's my cousin. That's my cousin.
Of course, I'll sing every day. I'll sing for everybody. Yes, I will.
We're driving to the baby shower.
What am I gonna sing? Baby. What am I gonna sing?
This is Auntie Valerie, the driver of the day, and
I'm
miserable Shaylin. Everybody's so angry, and the road is messed up. And outside is just, you know, it's snowing all day. I don't know what the heck.
It's a nice day because although it's snowing, it's very nice. It's not cold. I mean,
it isn't cold, which sucks because we've been in a deep freeze for so long, and the one day that we actually get out of it, it snows.
Canada.
Oh God.
Canada. You know what? I love Canada. I love the winter. I love everything.
I love winter, but I just hate traveling in it.
True. Very true. I wish I could fly. I wish I had a helicopter. Then my life would be perfect.
But I wouldn't even fly in these conditions. Like
just to
yes, absolutely.
But that's how it goes. Yo, I love being Jamaican, yo. I would never want to be
Jamaican.
Not Jamaican. Jamaican.
Yes, that's a Jamaican. We are real Jamaicans. You understand?
Jamaican.
Yeah, we have the blood.
Yeah, man.
We have the Jamaican and with blood it's running through.
True and true. Up and up.
Up.
Yo, is that the thing? Who says that?
Up.
Who says it? Tell me, because I see it on Facebook.
Everybody says it.
But who said it? Who started it?
That's a good question. I don't know. You know what? I don't know because like when a rhythm comes out, like everybody just jumps on the same thing. So like I don't know who would have said it. Maybe somebody just woke up and said, "Everybody get up!" and somebody catch it out the door and say, "Yo, up!" You know, like that's how shit starts in Jamaica. That's how stuff starts in Jamaica, though, for real.
I thought it was a tune that maybe like
it is a song.
Oh, okay.
Is that a real fire truck?
Mom, move over.
Oh God, it's a fire truck. Oh God, oh God, oh God,
it's a fire truck.
Oh God,
that's
oh God,
a tune. I'm gonna remix that.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God.
Oh shit.
Yeah, but like I was saying, that it's all her music that will be played.
And you know what?
You know,
in a few months I'll show you the rest.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, but my songs are on that.
Okay, no problem. And I'll send you some Jamaican songs.
I was playing it this morning, and like Marlon was like, you know. So I was like, do you know what this is? He's like, no, I'm gonna know where you get your CD then from. I'm like, it's not my CD. It's my phone. It's SoundCloud, and it's Jamaica. He's like, I lie. He's like, your family talented.
You see how those songs are private though, right? Nobody else has those. So keep those on rap.
So I can't put them on YouTube?
Take.
I mean, I'm not gonna put the whole. Yeah, for sure.
Don't put it out for anybody else.
I want. Like I have the Jamaican one. Do you like my
just
hair?
Cupid, but there's 2 more.
Oh, okay. Like my hair, guys?
Yeah.
No? Yes? No? Maybe so? Okay.
That's all you, right?
This is all me, girl. You can't really see it in the... Yo, I hate this camera because it always makes me look so fat.
I thought the iPhone was less fat.
Like, but I just feel like I look fatter. I don't know, maybe it's because like how I'm sitting in the backseat too, and it's so low. I'm just like, you know what I mean? Sorry.
I'm like, I'm trying to figure it out, but no, I'm kidding.
Oh God. I was like, I remember when Tiash and them came over for my birthday weekend to help me. They're good. They came over to help me for my birthday stuff. And I was like, do you guys think I should start a YouTube channel? They're like, yes!
Yes. You need to do.
I was like, okay.
That's what you need to do.
Okay. So we're doing it.
That's your thing.
We're doing it right now.
I mean, why would you waste all the camera
We're doing it right now.
And just picture that.
We're doing it right now.
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 Oh yeah, we're doing it right. We're doing it right. We're doing it.
off.
might fall off my head.
It's not a wig, it's my hair. So the only way it's falling off is if my sister is cutting it off.
How are you so bright?
Yeah, bright. Because you have our dreadlocks. Oh God, I can't manage it. Oh God.
I'm done. I'm party pooped. I'm party pooped. Like, I can't go out.
I have to go home now. I can't go to this baby shower.
My hands.
Much less host it.
I
do that.
Yo, in like 10 minutes too, right?
I know.
Accident for my head. Lick my money.
Wow. And of course, Bower's gonna be there to speculate. Come on, keep driving, man. We have somewhere to go.
So slow.
I know, I always do that. It's like engraved in our culture. You know what this means? It means bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Remember? Witherspoon, bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang, bang. Mom, don't look.
What? We're never gonna reach.
Nope.
I'm supposed to decorate.
Yep.
The party starts at 5:30
Okay.
and it's 5:15.
Whoa. Oh!
We're not even in Scarborough yet. So
Yo, this sucks.
I might have to start ready soon.
We had a border. On the border. Border, Scarborough and I was gonna say Scarborough and Brampton. Where is that?
there is no Scarborough. Opposite sides
Yo,
of
we
the
have to make a
earth.
bridge to Scarborough to Brampton. So
Like an
it's easy
express
access.
train or something.
Trust me, yo. Something like.
Antivar, how am I supposed to make this arch? How am I supposed to do this balloon arch in time?
You can't do it now.
Yeah, you know what?
Forget it.
People are gonna be coming in and it's still
not
gonna
gonna
be
happen.
on the earth. So just joke.
You know it?
Huh?
You have a lot of breath here if you blow up that
I
bag.
did it
have
for my
the
birthday.
Do you have that earphone?
Yeah. But I don't like it. It takes too much energy. I just blow it, close my eyes and blow.
No, I'd rather work on my arm than to work on my hair right now because I need all that.
I hear that. But especially when you're doing the thing, you have to time.
Fast part at the bottom.
You have to
And you have to do
put
it and
4
show you
balloons
off, 'cause people
together.
don't hire you to do things, so you have to.
Yeah, you have to. Put it in.
Hopefully everybody's late. That's all I hope.
Oh no, don't worry. We're late.
What time is it?
5:02.
5:02. How 5:02? How much longer?
5:30. If the
Before,
traffic keep moving.
she said before 5:30. That means we're gonna be there in 28 minutes. That's a lot.
If the traffic keep moving, we'll get there before 5:30.
Mom, stop leading us on. Just be chill.
Alright, well, as you can see, we're just driving
Impatient.
along. Yeah, very impatient. Trying to get to our destination so we can
though
decorate.
Even though we live in
Finish
Canada,
cooking
we
this
know what's going
food, you know, because we love to eat.
And finish drinking this liquor and, you know.
Vegetarian lasagna want to go in the oven and cook.
Okay, so the veggie lasagna needs to go in the oven.
And that's it.
And then that's it. And then the food
Wait,
is done.
how do you
Wait,
even
do they
know
have a
it's gonna be
microwave?
oven? I even know it's gonna be an oven.
Chicken cook.
Because I need to pop some popcorn for that sweet table for that girl.
Who decorate the, oh, you did your birthday, is that?
Yeah, I did my
So
birthday.
you're gonna do for her?
For Junior?
Yeah.
When is that?
Next week.
Yes.
You're gonna make
And where is it gonna be?
I don't know.
So you want me to sing happy birthday?
What kind of,
Yeah.
what color
Nice.
balloon them gonna use?
I can't tell you.
Okay.
But black is a part of it.
Just
It's all black.
Acapella?
Yeah.
We have if you don't use them out.
Mom, are you gonna come?
Yeah.
She is coming. She's coming after work.
All
All black, baby. All black.
Just
Yeah, so when we get to the baby shower, I'll show you guys. Yeah, I'll be there to show y'all what's going on in the baby shower. When you guys see my cousin and her little baby, her little belly, oh my god, oh my god. Her little baby, I know, right? Okay, bye.
bye.
We're at the baby shower. Don't do that on the vlogs. There's gonna be kids watching, okay? Don't do that.
All right, that's it. I
Hey, introduce yourself to the vlog. Introduce yourself to the YouTubers. I don't know if this is the right way or if this is the wrong way, but I think it's gonna. I don't know. Either way, it's
On
not.
the editing thing.
Yeah. Introduce yourself.
Nice.
Tell them who you is, boy.
Shit, the shepherd.
That's my cousin Shepherd.
No.
Get used to her.
No.
Her ugly face gonna be up in here. Just kidding.
Nah.
But
It's
you're gonna be
ugly
hearing her
sometimes.
music all the time. Like I've been saying, I'm gonna keep repeating myself over and over and over again. You know,
It's only
girl.
ugly when I wear makeup.
Bah!
Oh yeah.
Here is the grandma of the hour. God. Say hi.
Mom, you're gonna be grandma.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
I don't have a name.
Grandma, right?
Jesus.
That's what me and
Grandma.
say. Oh, you're so ugly. Oh God. Oh God, yeah. So, I'm recording.
Love. Never left. Always came
If
back.
what? It's all I have to show.
I'm gonna make you say it until you remember my name. Shamika Sinclair, baby.
I need to go on the microphone thing to talk to send a message like on the.
Who the hell is that?
Who?
That man.
I don't know. I was looking on the Facebook.
You're lying.
No. I was going through the email, not Facebook, and you know the pictures like what they said, some, who you know or whatever, and he come on it. And
So
maybe
how
I
did
press,
it end up
I
on
pressed
your phone?
something.
Okay, what are you asking about? The microphone?
This.
What time are you going home, ma'am?
Where do you want to go home now?
The microphone is right there.
It's not working.
You have to hold it down.
I know. Look. You know much. How long now? Me I try to set it up. Don't I have to go to what do you call it? Store it, book card.
What you say, I'm okay. What you say, I'm okay.